Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see all things and everything's hair related, a little bit of vlogs here and there, and some makeup. But yeah, in today's video, as you can see from the title, this video is sponsored by Reshine Hair. So Reshine sent me this gorgeous 24 inches, and yes, it is 24 inches. I did go ahead and super define and super diffuse, which is why my hair is all nice and scrunched up and super defined, like I said before. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed my unit from Reshine Hair. They sent me a 24 inch 180 density 13 by 4 lace frontal unit, and this is just what we're giving. It's really nice and cute. I love it so much, and it's just giving like curly bob vibes or vacation vibes if you guys are planning to do a little quarantine vacation. But yeah, this is pretty much how we're looking right now after it's pretty much fully dried. I did go in and do a lot of diffusion, and this is just what we're giving, you know, a nice little controlled volume. But yeah, if you'd like to see how I got my hair to look like this, just keep on watching. Don't forget, the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at CheeseYourFave, and let's jump into it. So this is the box that the wig came in by Reshine. They sent a whole bunch of goodies over. This is the unit in the bag, 180 density, 24 inches, and it is in the water wave texture. And this is the wig fresh straight out the packaging. This is just what it looks like, nice and bouncy. On the insides it has clips, and at the back of the wig it also has a clips and the 2 adjustable straps. this is the end results. This is just what we're giving right now. So thank you so much Reshine Hair for sponsoring and sending this gorgeous wig in 24 inches, 180 density, and it is also a 13x4 unit, hence why I was able to do a side part as well as a middle part if I chose to, but this is just what we're rocking. I never do my side parts to this side, I always do it to this side, but we're just gonna be switching it up for 2021, and this is just how it looks. And key tip, after using this dead man brush, which pretty much made the hair super duper defined, on top of that using my diffuser, that really helped to make the wig literally scrunch up. So if I were, okay, let me just pull a piece from like the back or something, because honestly y'all, I'm not gonna mess my curls up, period. So once I pull this hair and I pull it all the way down, it's by my hips, and that's pretty much where 24 inches is on me. But because I did all of that and diffusion and all, like you could see the stretched hair compared to the diffused hair, it really just shrinks the hair up by drying it scrunched in that little diffuser thing. So that's the reason why these curls look shorter than they actually are. And also, water wave hair, any wave texture is not its full length when it's in its curly state. When you straighten or stretch it, then it is, but this is 24 inches and I love it so much. It's really giving long bob, and I like that. You know, like if you want a bob that would be cute too, a side part bob. And I used to do these all the time, but we rocking 24 inches now, sweetheart. And so yeah, let me get into shedding. So you guys seen me put this brush back down, but when it comes on to shedding, I did not get that much shed hair, to be honest with you guys. This is all the shed hair that came out of the brush. As you can see, you're not seeing any more. This is all I got from just my whole session of detangling this hair, and honestly I love it. So that's pretty much it. If you guys would like to know anything else, just let me know, leave a comment down below, and I will definitely go ahead and respond to you guys, because I've been very active in the comment section recently. And I think that's all. So don't forget to follow Reshine's social media and my social medias as well. My Instagram is at she's your fave, and I will also leave in the description box the links to this unit and Reshine's website and a whole bunch of good stuff. So definitely check that description box out, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye girls.